Okay, hello everyone. The plant you are looking at is the plant called as the Triadax procumbens. Okay, the botanical name of this plant is the Triadax procumbens. Generally, it is called as the Triadax only. Okay, and this is an example of the invasive plant species. Okay, so this will be the good example for the UPSC mains examination of for the invasive plant species because throughout the world, this particular Triadax species is considered as a invasive species. Okay, now if you observe carefully its morphological characters, the whole body is divided into the root, then the leaves, and the stem. Okay, root, stem, and leaves are there typically, and what you see is the long pedicel. Okay, observe here, the long pedicel is there, and finally at the top what we have is the flower. Okay, this particular Tridax procumbens plant is an angiospermic plant, and it belongs to the plant family called as the Asteraceae. Okay, so we have discussed the Asteraceae plant family in our lectures as well, and there as well we have the example of a Tridax. Okay, now this plant is very much special because here you can see the reduced type of the calyx is there. Okay, calyx just looks like a scaly, or it got converted into the pappus. Okay, so the Asteraceae plant family, as you know, is a very famous for showing the calyx modification into the pappus, right? So this plant is found not only in the tropical regions but also in the temperate regions as well, and its worldwide distribution is making it this particular plant which comes in a very high number, and that is why this plant is considered as a invasive plant species. Okay, it is found in the croplands, in the roadsides, or in the empty areas. It can grow anywhere. Okay, and this particular plant also holds some ethnomedicinal value as well. Okay, so from ethnomedicinal point of view, in the UPSC mains, this example can also be given. Its leaves, the juice which is extracted from its leaves can directly be applied on the wounds. Okay, so this type of the example will be good in UPSC mains, okay, for the ethnomedicinal value. Now, if you observe carefully its flower is showing the ray florets, right? And it's these ray florets are three tooth. If you can see closely, okay, if you observe closely the flower, the three tooth ray florets can be easily seen. Now, another important observation regarding this particular plant is this. Firstly, it shows the creeping habit. Okay, for the leaves, it has a creeping habit. Okay, it grows along the ground, but when it comes to the flower has a very long stalk and it comes above the ground. Okay, possibly this is for the pollination purpose to attract the pollinators. Okay, maximally it is the insect pollinated plant, and it can easily attract the insect because this flower can be seen from the distance. Okay, and in the Ayurveda this has a very peculiar use. It used for the liver problems. Okay, whatever the liver problems are there, to for curing the liver problems, this particular plant, that is Tridax procumbens, is very famous. Okay, so this plant can be used as a example for the invasive plant species, or it can be used for the ethnomedicinal value example. Okay, so this is all about the Tridax procumbens.